Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Floyd Speed Shop. About a week ago, we had a Junkyard LS engine on an engine stand where we found out it had just a little bit of drivetrain noise. We've got the replacement from the Junkyard right here, and we're also going to put it on the engine stand today and see if there's any drivetrain noise in this one. Check it out.
1, 2, 3, 4! Crusty trucks and open doors! Woke up broke in the so-killed sun. Flatbed Chevy don't owe me none. Crack dash, torn bed seat. Radio dead but the motor beats. Pull that block from a wrecked out van. Pay 200 cash to a shady man. Oil leaks but it still turns free.
What is up with this? These nuts just fell out of this exhaust. Oh my gosh, dude. Is there a squirrel in there? It came out of this one too. Can squirrels get in that and like live? Or are they just stashing?
No chrome light, no plastic shine, just cheap horsepower and busted lines. Rust don't care, and that's just fine.
Like a glove?
Every damn time. Headers scrape on a cracked up road. No ace.
All right, guys. I believe we've got everything set up. I've not kicked it over yet. I got the jump box connected, and I believe I've got everything wired up like it should. Before I take you guys on a tour of this monstrosity of an engine stand, I want to fire this thing up and see if there's any knocking, ticking, make sure we got some oil pressure, just see how it sounds before we put too much time into this Junkyard LS engine. All right, guys, let's see what she does. Fuel pump's kicked.
We got power, boy.
Jump box on. Let's jump this solenoid. I'm going to show you guys what I did. I started to put this thing away and totally spaced. I didn't show you guys what I have going on. Don't mind the mess. This is kind of my storage area. So let me show you guys what I did. So this is just an Amazon wiring harness that I picked up. I think it was 90 bucks on Black Friday. Someone locally had this ECU. I believe it's a P01 ECU on Marketplace. I paid 25, 30 bucks for it. Had to get it flashed and put just a startup tune on it for 100 bucks. Aside from that, I did get I had a pair of LS1 injectors I put on this because of the connectors, and I had these long tube headers in my shop already for an NBS truck. Aside from that, I laid the harness on the engine and transmission and wired everything up like I would. Put a mechanical oil pressure sensor on it. And then for the tank, this is, I believe, a GMC Jimmy tank that was 20 bucks locally. I went ahead and just got a fuel pump off Amazon for it. And PQY fuel pressure regulator. Wired it all up. Ghetto wiring job just to make this thing run. And yeah, I mean, that's about it, guys. Super easy setup. Good news, huge win for the C10 project. Huge win for this girl. We've got the drivetrain secured, fired up, ready to go. So next steps for this old girl, we are going to pull out the drivetrain that's in it. We're going to clean up the engine bay. We are going to start stripping out the interior, pull the bed off, shorten the frame, shorten the bed, and then drop in the 5.3 4L80 combo. Guys, we're not doing anything to the rust on this truck. We're gonna keep it rusty and crusty. We're just gonna clean up the interior and turn it into a driver. Needs a seat. I mean, the interior isn't bad. Needs a seat and a dash pad. Other than that, the interior might be sorted. But anyways, guys, hey, thank you so much for watching. I'm still talking to the gentleman about the 77 Trans Am. We've got a lot going on here, and bear with me. There might be times where I don't drop a video for a 2-week period. I get very busy with work sometimes, and I just can't make time to shoot any content. But guys, from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. For you guys that have subscribed and are following along, thank you for that. It means the world to me. This has been a great experience, and the comments that you guys leave, the likes, the subscribes, the feedback that I get from you guys just really makes it all worth it. When I got into this channel, or created this channel, in my head I was like, I need 1,000 subscribers ASAP. I need X amount of views. I need, like, my expectations were through the roof of what I needed, or what I thought I needed. And you know, you look at other YouTubers that you kind of want to, in a sense, you know, wish you were in their shoes, or maybe not that, but you look at other channels and you're like, I wish that I had that, or, you know, you kind of work towards that. But over the last month, I've kind of come to realize, or maybe 2 months, I've come to realize that it is rewarding, and the joy that comes out of it really just comes from the comments, the likes and subscribes, and like, oh, this video did that, or this video didn't do so well. So anyways, I feel like I'm rambling a little bit, but thank you guys so much for your feedback, and please like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know, you know, what you guys think, and most importantly, take care. We'll see you there.